Right. See everyone, first given problem is, so properties we can see minus 1 plus 1 minus I plus I is equal to 0 by the addition of the fourth root of four roots by the addition its value is 0, cube root also addition 0, by the multiplication cube root value is the 1, but fourth root multiplication is the minus 1. So problem I will take. So here what we are going to observe is the constant downside denominator constant observe. It is not a constant, it is the omega term, it is the omega square term, it is the constant. So this constant numerator have omega square. That's why numerator denominator multiply with the omega square. Numerator no multiplication, but denominator direct multiplication. Here, so downside observe denominator B, C have the omega and A have the omega square. With free is the B is the constant. Here B have with omega. Multiply omega numerator. Don't multiply, just write down. But denominator you should be multiplied. And simplify. Then we cancellation of these two, we get omega square. By the cancellation of these two, we get omega. We know the property 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. From this one, omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, omega square plus omega value will become as a minus 1 is the answer. Is it clear now, everyone? Right. I go through the second problem. Everyone observe the second problem. Everyone observe the second problem. What is the second problem is minus 1 plus root 3I by 2 whole power of 17 plus minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 whole power of 17. Its value is required. Its value is required. Everyone observe. Its value is required. Hint of the problem is, so this is the omega value, omega to the power of 17. Its square is this value, omega square to the power of 17. Omega to the power of 17, omega to the power of 17 plus omega to the power of 34. 17 divided with 3, write down the remainder. 17 divided with 3, that is equal to 3. 5 times is the 15. Remainder is the 2. Therefore, we can write omega square. Remainder only write down. Remember, 34 divided with 3. 34 divided with 3. 3 11 times is the 33. Remainder is the 1. It's write down omega to the power of remainder is 1. Omega square plus omega value is the minus 1. Answer is completed. Okay, na? Simple. Right. I go through the third problem. Everyone observe third problem. The third problem is value of root of minus 1 minus of root of minus 1 minus of root of minus 1 up to infinite. What is the value of this one is? Options also given among. First option is the 1 comma 0. Second option is the minus 1 comma 2. Third option is the omega comma omega square. Fourth option is the I comma omega. We are getting these are the given options. So this problem is, first let it be as a x. Infinite problem is given means let it be as a x, square root of minus 1 minus square root of minus 1 minus square root of minus 1 up to infinite terms. Okay, na? Up to infinite terms. First, what we can do mean one time is the squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides, x square is equal to minus 1 minus of square root of minus 1 minus of square root of minus 1 minus of square root of minus 1 up to infinity. This is the same x value. This is the same x value, x square minus 1 minus, this is the same x value. All are being on the left square, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Its roots will become as a omega and omega square. Therefore, third option is the correct one. Third option is the correct one. Is it clear? Right. Problem number 4. I go through the problem number 4. Everyone observe. Problem number 4. Question number 4. If cube root of unity, if cube roots of unity, what are the cube roots of unity? 1 omega omega square. Then the roots of the equation, then the roots of equation x minus 1 cube plus 8 is equal to 0 r. Okay. This problem is, I am going to do the problem. So everyone observe here what they are going to given. So here cube root of unity roots are given. So x minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 8. Immediately write down 8 into minus 1. 8 into minus 1. So r minus 8 into 1, minus 8 into 1. So now x minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 2 cube into 1. So now take x minus 1 is equal to minus 2 cube whole power of 1 by 3 into 1 power of 1 by 3. 3 cancel. X minus 1 minus 2 into cube root of unity values 1 omega square. So x minus 1 minus 2 is the one root, minus 2 omega is the one more root, minus 2 omega square is the one more root. And add minus 1 bring on the right side. X is equal to minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 omega plus 1 minus 2 omega square plus 1. So x values are minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega square are the values. Okay now? Right. Question number 5, CM, everyone. Question number 5. Everyone observe question number 5. Right. Observe the question number 5. Question number 5 is, what is the question number 5 is, if z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0, where z is a complex number, where z is a complex number, then the value of z plus 1 by 2 square, z square, z plus 1 by z square, z square plus 1 by z square whole square plus z cube plus 1 by z cube whole square up to z power of 6 plus 1 by z power of 6 whole square. So this value is required. Everyone observe. I'm going to write this problem in simple manner only. So what is the simple manner? I will observe. Any equation is in the form of z square plus z plus 1. Its roots are 1 omega omega square by the quadratic equation expansion. Z plus least value, I will take omega. So, sir, we can put one is a, but he is telling complex number, not a real numbers. He is telling complex numbers. That's why. So, no means we can put one also, no objection. So, but he is telling complex number. That's why omega should be taken. Okay, na? So, real numbers means one we can take. So, omega I will write in place of Z. Omega plus 1 by omega whole square, omega square plus 1 by omega square whole square, omega cube plus 1 by omega cube whole square. Next, omega power 4 plus 1 by omega power 4 whole square plus omega power 5 plus 1 by omega power 5 whole square plus omega power 6 plus 1 by omega power 6 whole square. Okay, na? Whole square, is it clear? So reciprocal 1 by omega reciprocal value is of omega square. How means omega cube is equal to omega square. Omega cube is equal to 1. Omega square into omega is equal to 1. Omega is equal to 1 by y square. Omega square is equal to 1 by omega. Okay, na? By using this property, I will write. So next, omega square 1 by omega square reciprocal is the omega square. Okay, na? Omega cube value is the 1. Omega cube value is the 1 square. Omega power 4 divided with 3. Write down the remainder. Omega 1 by omega. Omega 5 divided with 3. Write down remainder. Omega square plus 1 by omega square. Omega power 6 value is the 1. And omega power 6 value is the 1 plus 1 whole square. 1 plus 1 whole square. Omega 6 power value is the 1 plus omega 6 value is the 1 whole square. Okay, na? Next, this value is the minus 1 square. This value is the minus 1 square. This value is the 1 plus 1 square. This value is, now write down, omega plus omega square. This is the omega square, 1 omega whole square plus 1 plus 1 whole square. 1 plus 1 whole square. Okay, na? Minus 1 square is the 1. Minus 1 square is the 1. 2 square is the 4. Here is the minus 1 square. Here also minus 1 square. Last one is the 2 square is the 4. Okay, na? Now write down 1 plus 1 is the 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, total answer is the 12. Right. Everyone come to the sixth problem. After completing the sixth problem, I will stop. 2 videos is there today. Because the middle is the cut, 2 videos is there. I will send 2 videos. Sixth problem. Question number 6. Everyone observe. Tomorrow we can discuss the polar form problems. Polar form, next to rotation form. So we have to discuss exponential form, Euler form. Everyone we are going to discuss in this one. So exponential form or Euler form. So next to rotation form, everyone we have to discuss. So I will send 10, nearly 10 videos. Everyone observe. Right, question number 6, CMR. Right, question number 6, everyone. Question number 6. What is the question number 16? A, B, C are integers not similar. Not similar. Integers not similar. Next. Not similar. Next. And equal. Not similar and equal. And equal. And omega is the cube root of unity. Omega is cube root of unity. Cube root of unity. Cube root of unity. Then the value of modulus of A plus B omega plus C omega square is modulus of A plus B omega plus C omega square value is. This is the given problem. Okay. Now I will take A, B, C are integer, not simultaneously. Sorry, here is correct. Not simultaneously. Simultaneously equal. Simultaneously equal. Okay, na? And omega is the cube root of unity, and omega is the cube root of unity. Okay, na? Omega is the cube root of unity. So next, what they are going to telling the answer is simple is not a simultaneous and equal mean I will take different values. What values I am going to take means hint of the problem is two values are three not equal. Two values are equal. A, B equal to 1. C is equal to 2. I will take. A, B is equal to 1. C is equal to 2. I will take. Write down in this one. A plus B omega plus C omega square. A value is the 1. B value also 1. C value is the 2 omega square. 1 plus omega value 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. 1 plus omega value is minus omega square plus 2 omega square. So this is the modulus of omega square. Modulus of omega value is always 1. So if you want me, omega square value is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Its modulus value write down. So that is the minus 1 by 2 square root of minus 1 by 2 square plus minus root 3 by 2 square. By this simplification, compulsory value is 1. Okay, na? Therefore, this is the problem I am going to complete it here. Tomorrow we can do this some other concepts. Okay.